Buckle up, because this year's a total game changer, a cosmic journey that'll reshape who you are, how you love, and what you believe in. Jupiter, the planet of wisdom and growth, dances through your first house in Gemini until June 2, 2026, igniting the radiant, soul-stirring energy of Punarvasu Nakshatra, the star of renewal and rebirth, ruled by Jupiter itself. For your Punarvasu natives, this is a cosmic homecoming, amplifying your optimism, charisma, and spiritual depth like never before. But, hold up, there's a twist. Until March 11, 2026, Jupiter's retrograde slows things down, pushing you into a deep, profound inner journey. Love, career, clarity, it might all feel, well, paused. Courtship, it could hit some serious roadblocks. Career goals, they might stall, no matter how hard you try. But don't panic, this isn't a setback, it's a divine invitation to look within, not around. The retrograde shines a spotlight on patterns, overthinking, overpromising, scattering your energy, urging you to heal, to refine your self-image through study, meditation, or spiritual practices like chanting the Guru Bij Mantra. This is your moment to rediscover faith after doubt, to rewrite your inner narrative. Punarvasu's renewal vibe, it's your secret weapon here. Then, boom, on March 11, 2026, Jupiter turns direct, and the fog lifts. A tidal wave of opportunities floods in. Career prospects, they soar, think promotions, leadership roles, serious recognition, especially if you are in teaching, communication, writing a book, or consulting. Your Punarvasu natives, you naturally shine as mentors, guiding others with your wisdom. On the marriage front, if you are tangled in legal battles, like a stuck divorce, resolution comes if you let go of ego and channel that guru-like wisdom. Married, your spouse's career could absolutely skyrocket, boosting your shared success. Financially, businesses thrive, and guidance from a father figure or an unconventional mentor, maybe a surprising colleague or spiritual guide, totally flips your perspective. Travel, oh, it's on the cards, especially to sacred places that feed your soul, fueled by Rahu in Aquarius in your 9th house, amplifying transformation alongside Jupiter's transit through your moon's nakshatra. Jupiter in your first house makes you magnetic, your confidence and visibility through the roof. But, watch out for overconfidence or, maybe a little weight gain. Stay grounded with mindfulness, yoga, and a sattvic diet to keep mental restlessness or digestive issues at bay. Now, post June 2, 2026, Jupiter slides into Cancer, your second house, starting in Punarvasu's 4th pada, then moving to Pushya, and it's like hitting the jackpot. Financial stability and family harmony, they flourish. Your words, pure gold, resolving conflicts and boosting your self-worth. Jupiter's aspects on your 5th house, creativity, 7th house, partnerships, and 9th house, luck, spark breakthroughs in education, romance, and spiritual growth. By mid-2026, you'll look back and see a year of profound transformation, not just in wealth or status, but in awakening your inner teacher. Whether you find a guru or become one, 2026 marks your passage from student to guide, embodying the wisdom you've always carried. So, Gemini rising, embrace the retrograde stillness to polish your soul. When Jupiter moves direct, step boldly into your light, not to impress, but to inspire. This is the year you stop chasing meaning and start living it, if you're running a Jupiter Dasher or Antardasha. If you are in a Jupiter Dasher or Antardasha, this transit is like rocket fuel for your growth. Keep your spiritual life grounded, dive into study, practice meditation, or chant, Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudeve, to harmonize faith and surrender. Avoid judging others' beliefs. Ketu's influence might make you feel above them, so stay humble. Honor your teachers, but cultivate your own inner guru. You're both student and guide this year. Chant this mantra daily, offer yellow items like bananas or turmeric on Thursdays, and keep up with yoga and a sattvic diet to stay balanced. This is your moment to shine, so make it count. Pisces in House of Career, whispers discipline, manage your savings like a pro, and steer clear of those tempting, unnecessary splurges. Your words and speech becomes extremely magnetic now, strengthening family bonds and boosting your self-esteem, while Jupiter enhances creativity, luck and gains open doors to education, spiritual travel, and killer social connections. Fast forward to August 18, 2026, and Mercury's rulership cranks up your communication game. We're talking next-level teaching, writing, or negotiating contracts. If you are in banking, real estate, or consulting, this is your moment to soar. Just watch out for some emotional intensity in family chats. Choose your words with care to keep the peace. Then, boom, on October 31, 2026, Jupiter rockets into your 3rd house in Leo, powered by Atichari Jupiter and Ketu spiritual fire. This is where you will have to find your courage, embark on short travels, and level up your skills. You'll feel a surge of inspiration to express yourself. Your ideas are electric, but here's the deal. Your wishes carry serious manifestation power now, so stay fiercely positive, because what you dream can come true. Ketu in Leo might nudge you to ditch superficial stuff, think social media detox, or even going off-grid as success flows when you align with purpose, service, and knowledge. Your guru-like essence is on fire, making you a natural leader, but keep mental restlessness or overzealousness in check with yoga, meditation, and a sattvic diet to stay balanced. By year's end, Gemini rising, you're not just building wealth or bonds, you're becoming a beacon of wisdom, whether you are penning a book, leading a workshop, or exploring sacred destinations. So, seize this cosmic canvas, paint it with purpose, and let 2026 transform you into the radiant, purposeful guide you were born to be. If you're running a Jupiter Dasher or Antardasher, this transit supercharges your growth. Keep your spiritual life grounded with study and practice, like chanting Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudeve, to harmonize faith and surrender. Avoid judging others' beliefs, as Ketu might make you feel above them. Honor your teachers, but cultivate your own inner guru. You're both student and guide this year. By mid-2026, you'll look back and see a year of profound transformation, not just in wealth or status, but in awakening your inner teacher. So, Gemini rising, embrace the retrograde stillness to polish your soul, and when Jupiter moves direct, step boldly into your light, not to impress, but to inspire. This is the year you stop chasing meaning and start living it.